In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ChatGPT for making PPT 2026 full guide. We're going to turn ChatGPT into your on-demand PowerPoint engineer. The idea is simple. Have the AI write a VBA macro that builds your slides automatically, then use PowerPoint's designer to make everything look polished, and finally refine individual slides without rebuilding the entire deck. Start by prompting ChatGPT to act as both an expert content developer and a VBA programmer. Ask it to generate an executable PowerPoint VBA script for your specific topic. Be explicit. Tell it exactly how many slides you want and who the audience is, such as students or a corporate board. Instruct it to create a compelling title and 3 to 4 focused bullet points for each slide. Make sure it uses the standard PP layout text layout so content lands in the correct placeholders. Also, tell it not to include any template cleanup or closing code so the presentation stays open for edits. Finally, ask for the output inside a single code block so you can copy it in one shot. Replace the placeholders in your prompt with your actual topic, slide count, and audience. Once ChatGPT returns the VBA, hit the copy code button. Open a fresh blank presentation in PowerPoint. To access the Visual Basic Editor, press Alt plus F11 on Windows or Option plus F11 on Mac. If that shortcut isn't active, enable the Developer tab by going to File, Options, Customize Ribbon, checking Developer, then clicking the Visual Basic button on that tab. In the Visual Basic window, go to Insert and choose Module. Click into the blank code area and paste your entire script. Run it by pressing F5 or by clicking the small green play icon. If PowerPoint asks you to enable macros, allow it so the script can run. PowerPoint will process the code and generate a multi-slide deck with your specified titles and bullet points. You can now close the editor and return to your slides. Because VBA builds plain layouts, use PowerPoint Designer to add instant style. Select the first slide, go to the Home tab, and click Designer, the wand icon on the right. Pick a suggested design to apply typography, imagery, and color that match your content. Repeat for each slide to establish a consistent professional flow across the deck. If a slide needs stronger detail or you encountered a small syntax hiccup, don't restart. In the same chat thread, ask ChatGPT to rewrite the code for the specific slide, adding your subtopic or data requirement. Paste the updated block back into the same module and run it again to refresh just that part.